And then you cock it, right? And then you aim it. All the way forward. Cock it all the way forward. There you go. Yeah! You got it. All the way forward. There you go. Oh, that went in there and it bounced out. Oh, I got another one. Yeah. All the way forward. There you go. Oh, that one was so close. Oh, that one bounced out too. Is that all of them? All the way out. That's awesome, Lakin. Give me a high five.